Hello guys, welcome again to another video today. It's not a BTC video, it's an ETH video. So I'm going to be analyzing Ethereum, even though I think Ethereum is following the same direction of BTC, but I'm just going to give you a general outlook of my idea where this might head and where the potential area of rejection will be for ETH or the bull trap for ETH. So yeah, let's get straight to the charts. One thing I want to point out for ETH is indicators on ETH are slightly looking more bullish than Bitcoin, to be honest. So for example, just let me give you a quick example. So ETH, for example, on the monthly time frame still hasn't entered its bear market yet. There's still no confirmation of the bear market yet because your stock RSI is still above 20 and your monthly MACD still hasn't crossed bearish, and your RSI also on the monthly is above 50. Actually, it's around 52 right now, but we don't have a monthly close yet, so we should be waiting for that. Also, ETH right now battling the 5 EMA on the monthly time frame, coming in around 3,300 for ETH. Not bad. I was actually posting on my Discord not too long ago about a potential rejection area for ETH, which is going to be around $3,500. I think still this is the case, to be honest. Let me just check here for you guys. So ETH on the daily is looking very good, to be honest. There's still no danger signs yet. There's still no potential dangers or warning signs yet on the daily time frame. The micro time frames, like the 4 hour, we are experiencing obviously a pullback right now. It could be a stronger than expected pullback since we are bouncing above $3,000 ETH. So if we do manage to start losing $3,000 ETH, then most likely this continuation to the upside, or this rally to the upside on the 4 hour time frame, will come to a standstill, to a slight halt, and we'll experience slight more downside than upside. You can adjust your trend line like this for ETH and see where your potential bounce zone will be if this keeps heading south, in my opinion. Let's see here. Yeah, it's gonna be near $3,000 ETH. So if you lose $3,000 ETH, most likely you'll head towards like 2,900 or $2,850 ETH, and then continue to the upside again. But that will probably be the stronger correction. Right now, it doesn't look like it. It looks like we're bouncing always on this 20 EMA on the 4 hour chart, and every time we bounce, we go up again, bounce, we go up again, and so on and so forth. Similar to Bitcoin, it's actually following the same exact trajectory of Bitcoin. ETH rejection areas. So we are getting rejected, like we said, on the monthly 5 EMA right now. We have a strong area of rejection around $3,400 ETH. So anything between $3,400 ETH all the way to $3,600 ETH, and I cannot say 36. Yeah, $3,600 ETH will be a potential bull trap zone. Now keep in mind this is ETH, so ETH can underperform or outperform BTC. So with that, I mean, if our potential bull trap rejection zone is between 3,400 all the way to 3,600, it could very well go slightly above, similar to BTC actually, to around, maybe my best guess will be around 3,850. So 3,850, that will be probably the highest max pain region for ETH, for the bull trap for ETH. But again, ETH actually looking very, very good on the indicators, better than BTC. Still has more upside left for ETH, in my opinion. One thing to note is if BTC starts to go full bear, ETH will probably crash even stronger than BTC, and that's because it still hasn't entered its bear market yet. So the strong correction we had for BTC was caused by the monthly MACD crossing bearish and the stochastic going sub 20. So if this happens, then ETH might have a stronger rejection area than or stronger rejection than Bitcoin, to be honest. And for me, and I've stated this before on my Discord, so I'll probably give you again. I think 1,000 all the way to 1,500, $600 ETH will probably be the bottom of the bear market. So something along those lines. Worst case scenario will be 1,000. Best case scenario for the absolute floor bottom of the bear market for ETH will be around, I think, $1,400 or $1,300. That's the best case scenario. 1,003, 1,004, around that area. And the worst case scenario will probably be like $1,000 ETH or $800 ETH. Even though I really don't see it happening right now, it's going to be very, very hard for ETH to go to that region. But it is what it is, right? What it is. Yeah. So if you start to see ETH not holding over the 1,000, a wick towards 800 is probably gonna be in the cards. But I don't see it happening right now. We have a strong area of support right here, as you can see, and it was also a previous all-time high. So that's where I'm expecting it to bounce. So it will probably reach around 1,005 or 1,004 floor bottom for ETH. But yeah, guys, ETH on the daily looking great, similar to BTC, going for that bull trap in my opinion. Level of invalidation of the bull trap will be, in my opinion, for ETH, because we have to play it level by level, right? So maybe this bull trap is actually not a bull trap, and maybe history doesn't repeat itself, and maybe we go to the moon from here. So we need invalidation levels. So the 618, which is the 3,800 region we talked about, is also the 0.618, the golden pocket. So it's going to be a very, very strong resistance right there for ETH. That's why it is most likely to be a potential bull trap region. But this bull trap region, in my personal opinion, will be invalidated or will become less likely, and the bull run, aka, will resume if ETH can manage to climb above this region with weekly candle closes similar to BTC. So if we start seeing ETH closing weekly candles, 3 to 4 weekly candles above $3,800, then most likely ETH will probably escape the bear market and resume its bull run faster than anticipated. But till now, I cannot really say for sure, because ETH is, again, it's connected to Bitcoin. Whatever Bitcoin is going to do, ETH is going to probably follow. So it bounced at the exact same time as BTC, and it is pumping similar to BTC as well. They kind of go hand in hand. So once BTC gets rejected with that severe rejection, wherever ETH is, most likely it will get rejected as well. But yeah, for me, like I said, the level of invalidation for ETH, if we start to close monthly candles, let me just check, because ETH is slightly different than Bitcoin actually. Yeah, if we can manage to start closing monthly candles, at least 2 monthly candles above 3,300 ETH. So if we close, let's say, this month at 3,300, or let's make it 3,400. So if we close this month ETH around 3,400, and next month close is above 3,500, then there is a chance that ETH is not entering a bear market anymore. A bull run is resuming, because we're holding the 5 EMA. But again, it becomes very, very, very risky, especially because I think the bull trap can go all the way to like $3,700 or $3,800 ETH. So just be careful. ETH is slightly different than BTC. My best advice is just track BTC, see where it goes, and take it from there. Once you see BTC at the area of rejection, if you're watching my previous video, then you can go check the price of ETH and then act accordingly and adjust your portfolios accordingly. We've had so many crashes, by the way, so many severe crashes, and I've had so many people message me saying I'm 60-70% down. So please, the next time the market gives you an out, don't go out fully. Don't stay in fully. Manage your portfolio in a way that if another 50% crash comes, you're not going to be crying after. So you're going to be okay hodling for a few years. That's how you properly risk manage. I know the greed is always there. I know you guys would probably like to, squeeze every ounce of it and, take advantage of everything, but that's not how crypto works, and that's not how investments work. So try your best to adjust your portfolio accordingly. I usually tell my Discord members, adjust your portfolio in a way such that if a 50% crash happens tomorrow, are you happy? Are you satisfied? And if a 50% pump happens tomorrow, are you happy? Are you satisfied? If the answer to both questions is yes and yes, then your portfolio is 100% A-okay, ready to go basically. So yeah, guys, that is the ETH update for you. I know it's not very informative like the BTC update, but honestly, ETH will just follow what BTC will do. It's not. I just wanted to give you the key levels to watch out for a potential bull trap and for a potential rejection. So thank you again for watching the video again, and I will see you again next time. Bye-bye, guys.